I appreciate you pushing me to use Notion calendar because I can see the month view on the laptop. So yeah, I love it. Everything is synchronized. All my meeting invites, my personal tasks are there. Before, I used to have three different apps like the Google Calendar for the meetings, the built-in calendar for my own, and a to-do list in Notion. Synchronizing in one place is good.
What would be a core benefit that this tracker bring you?
I've been using your Clarity tracker for a month now. Definitely, it saved a lot of time. We managed to eliminate those switching apps and analyzing between three or four apps in one place. Imagine saving an hour because of that. Yeah, looking in one place is really good. And also coordinating with the team. We just look at one board, one place at the same time. Instead of checking our own notes, they have their own notes, I have my own notes. So it's definitely save a lot of time. I can assign the team and those assignments appear on my calendar as well. So it's way much better now. Us on the management team, we are more synchronized and that gives us more clarity where we are going.
What is the main feature that saved you the most time in the end?
I'm a calendar guy, so it's the Notion calendar that saves me the most.
During the moment we did the work together, Notion Calendar implemented this addition to show the checkbox
Yeah,
if
yeah.
properties and if they are done or not done. So from the calendar you can see if it's done.
Oh, yeah, that's for sure. Because for a normal calendar, you cannot do it. You have to go to the list again and put it down. This one, you don't need to leave the calendar anymore.
Yeah, because it's not just events, it's actually tasks and meeting
Mm.
notes and could be your tickets tomorrow if you want.
That makes me love Notion more.
Yeah. Now that you started using it for a few weeks, what are the next steps for you as a business owner, and what are the things that you will tackle on since you have this new confidence?
Oh, yeah. The next step would be introducing to the marketing team. So I'm transitioning from tech hat to marketing hat and then focus on marketing. In connection with this, we've successfully launched our landing page, our new landing page because of this. So it's in coordination between tech and marketing.
If a friends who run a team asked you if they should try the founder clarity system,
They should. They
yes,
really should.
what would you tell them?
We've been attending a lot of meetups, events, and networking, and the majority are disorganized, even including me. When I was just starting, everything is scattered. We have the notebook, we have the laptop, it's scattered everywhere. So, yeah, definitely, I would recommend this. Even for us who's already building this for a long time, it helped us. So, how much more for founders who were just starting?